India's auto fuel sales surged past pre-pandemic levels in first half of March as consumers and dealers topped tanks in anticipation of a likely price hike post-assembly elections. Petrol sales by state-owned fuel retailers, which control roughly 90% of the market, at 1.23 million tons during March 1st to 15th were nearly 18% higher than the same period last year and 24.4% higher than the period in 2019, preliminary industry data showed. Diesel, mostly used fuel in the country, saw sales jumping 23.7% year-on-year to 3.53 million tons. This was 17.3% higher than sales in March 1st to 15th, 2019. While petrol sales were 24.3% higher than the sales during March 1st to 15th, 2020, diesel sales were up 33.5% over the same reference period.